There will be no recess for Catalan politicians this summer as they struggle to put in place the necessary mechanisms for Catalan elections, which are to be held on September the 27th. The leader of the ruling CDC party, Artur Mas, opposition Left Party leader Oriol Junqueras, civil society leaders Camille Forcadell and Muriel Casals, along with the independent head of a joint list of candidates, Raül Romeva, made the official announcement at the Museum of History of Catalonia late on Monday.
We are ready to do it, and to do it well. We have been working for months, and in fact for years. We have gathered the will, and we came out of our comfort zones. We are united and decided, and we will have a unity government.
The head of the joint list laid out the main objectives of the independence bloc: to declare independence from Spain, draft a new constitution, and build the necessary structure for the new Catalan government. Mr. Romeva made clear that if the Spanish government puts obstacles in the way of the independence bloc, they will proceed with an immediate declaration of independence.
We are aware that the process is not going to be easy. What we know is that if the Spanish state, with its legislative and political powers, blocks our attempts at self-rule through parliament or the government, will proceed with the declaration of independence and approve the judiciary transitional law for Catalonia.
The leader of left-leaning ERC, Oriol Junqueras, spoke of the need to join forces beyond party lines to guarantee necessary services to all citizens of Catalonia. The endorsement of the joint list was met with a swift reaction from Madrid, which now threatens to use the full force of the law. On Wednesday morning, the Spanish parliament voted in favor of a security measure which would allow the government to take control of Mossos d'Esquadra, Catalonia's police force, in order to, quote, defend Spain. For Press TV from Barcelona, I'm Kusai Kedri.